In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube intro in CapCut quickly and easily, even if you're a complete beginner. A good intro can make your channel look more professional, help you build brand recognition, and make your videos feel more polished from the very first second. And the best part is, CapCut gives you ready-made templates so you do not have to start from scratch. If this tutorial helps you, go ahead and hit the like button and make sure to subscribe for more simple editing guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your device. Once CapCut is open, look for the Templates section. This is where you'll find pre-built designs made for all kinds of content, including social media videos, promos, and of course, YouTube intros. Using templates is one of the fastest ways to make something that looks clean and professional without spending hours editing. Now, in the search bar, type YouTube intro. CapCut will bring up a list of available intro templates for you to browse. Take your time here and look through the different styles. Some templates are fast and energetic, some are cinematic, and some are more clean and minimal. The key is to pick one that matches your channel's vibe and the kind of content you create. Once you find a template you like, click on it and then select Use Template. CapCut will load the template into the editor and prepare it for customization. This is where the real magic happens, because now you can turn a general intro design into your own branded intro. Next, drag and drop your own video clips or photos into the placeholder sections. These placeholders are the parts of the template where CapCut expects you to add your own media. You can use a short clip of yourself, B-roll, gaming footage, product shots, or even a logo animation depending on your channel style. Make sure your media fits the mood of the intro, so everything feels consistent and professional. After that, edit the text in the template. Replace any sample wording with your own channel name or brand message. This is important because your intro should clearly represent your channel identity. Keep the text short, readable, and easy to recognize. In most cases, less is more, especially for intro branding. You want viewers to remember your name quickly, without overwhelming them with too much text. You can also adjust the timing, trim clips if needed, and fine-tune the layout so everything flows smoothly. If the template includes music or motion effects, keep an eye on how they match your visuals. A strong intro should feel smooth, clean, and not too distracting. Remember, the goal is to make a good first impression, not to slow viewers down before your actual content starts. Once everything looks right, preview your intro a few times to make sure the clip's text and transitions all line up properly. If something feels off, go back and make small edits until it looks exactly how you want it. Taking a few extra minutes here can make a big difference in the final result. When you're happy with your intro, click Export. Choose your export settings, then save the finished intro to your device. After that, you can use it in your future YouTube videos whenever you want a branded opening. And just like that, you've created a YouTube intro in CapCut using a simple template-based workflow. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.